Hey guys, so we're out here at Grunkle Billy's. I'm building a light bar, a Honda Navi light bar for somebody. They ordered it like last week. So if you guys are still, if you got like a 2023, I don't think it's the first year they made them. They're all pretty much the same. If you got a Honda Navi and you want extra light, I make a light bar kit that ties in with the high beam, and it goes where the reflectors are on the front. So let's flip the camera around and I'll show you. Hang on a second, be right back. All right, so here we've got night. It's just a pretty simple basic light bar off of Amazon, and then I have the adapter. So your wiring harness plugs into this, and then this plugs into your headlight, and I have wires that come off of here. So it's a no solder solution. You unplug, you take your shroud off, unplug it, feed the wire up here, it'll have some bullets on it, and you just plug it all in and you're good to go. So and then we've got the bracket, just bent it up, painting it up. I use this, look at that texture. Can you guys see that when the light hits it? This texture is great. It's made by Rust-Oleum. Here's it. This stuff, Rust-Oleum textured. Do we got a lot number on here? This matches. Oh, here, 7220 black. This really matches the Hondas pretty good. I mean, like I said, if we can see it here, you see that? Yeah. So this has just got one coat on it. I sell all mine. This is aluminum. I laser cut these from Send Cut Send. Paint them. You get the light bar and the harness. $35 plus I think it's like $8.75, $9, let's just say $10 now. I only do priority shipping. Hang on a second. Anyways, I only do priority shipping, like tracking numbers and stuff. But and yes, I did get new glasses. So if you guys are looking for a light bar for your Navi, I still got them. I think I have 5 of the brackets left. I can make more at any time. So, and I can get the light bars and all that stuff. So if you're looking for one, hit me up on Insta, Iceman50. Like I said, if there's some more interest, I might make a few more and have them ready to go. So I think we're going to try and work on the Grom. I'm looking for my turn signals. I want to replace those old plastic turn signals I got. They work for a couple of years. They're all right. But I like them because they're slim. So I'm going to look for those, and hopefully I find it. Otherwise, this is a video. We'll see you guys. Easy. I did find one more thing we could do. The screws in my sill plate, the plastic sill plate, are coming loose. They're, well, disintegrated. In Ford's infinite wisdom, they just screw it right into the body of the truck. It's like, what? So I got these, I'll show them to you. These little, they're like panel clips or something with screws. They work pretty good. I did it to Trevor's truck, so mine are disintegrating. So let me show you what we got. All right, guys. So this is what I got on Amazon. It's just like a miscellaneous screw bin, and it comes with these little clips. You see these? And I just kind of put them upside down underneath. We'll show you, and then we screw it in. So you can see here we're like missing a hole. Look, if you look down in there, you can see daylight. You see it? Daylight. So all I did was take one of these, I think, one of these, and then I think this is the screw. Just come from underneath it here. Is this? Oh yeah, it's just like barely long enough. Oh God, we don't want to look under there. I just felt all sorts of rust. Just don't look, Marion. Don't look.
Marion, don't look at it. Shut your eyes, Marion. Don't look at it. No matter.
Love working in the dirt. It's my favorite. Where's that screw? Yeesh, this is not great. Not great. Fuck. Can you get the screwdriver? I know. Can you get it kind of started? Just be careful, because okay. Is it tightening up? Oh, it's okay. Oh, stop. Hang on. Is it caught on there now? Oh, it is. Sort of, kinda. See if you can keep twisting it. Keep going. Keep going. I know it's spinning, but keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Did it? Okay, stop. Yeah, it's not even connected. It's completely rusted out here. It's completely gone. We can do... Shit. Oh, no. Yeah, this is... Here, hand me the camera, would you? Okay. Look at this, guys. Oh. Look at this. Damn! See, this is where I was going through. Look, there's just a freaking hole here. See that? Hello.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not great. So I need longer screws, and I need a little piece of metal. You know. Well, we're gonna have to revisit this then. Hang on a second. No. God. Let me flip this around. Hang on. All right, guys. I didn't think it was that bad. Oh, but it's messed up. So, oh look, there's Uncle Billy. So, anyways, yeah. Well, that's gonna do it for that. So, it was a nice attempt. Hang on a second. What's up, Billy?
Can I see the camera for just a second?
Yes.
All right, look over there. So this is what happens when you lay in the ground without anything else but your shirt.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, dude, it's bad.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll see you guys later. Bye.